For less than $10, you can lay the foundations for a profitable online business to build it out, to get ready to make money online. A real plan inside of affiliating my profitable online business 9-step roadmap, utilizing my proven top strategy of first understanding and knowing what traffic is. Traffic is first and foremost picking a topic. For example, a topic like I want to create apps using AI to sell to businesses or show people how to develop their apps to run their own business. And I want to learn how to do that. And I'm going to share that with a larger community of people out there in the world, literally the world. You can find people here on YouTube all throughout the world, no matter where you're at as well. All you need to do is pick a topic. Then you need a set of tools and some technology and the time to generate traffic, which means creating consistent content. This is the roadmap, nothing held back. It's all you need to do. First and foremost, pick a topic, and I'm going to show you how you can use AI to help you pick this topic. Then you need some tools and some technology and some time. If you want to do YouTube videos, all you need to do is open up your smartphone, set it up, start recording yourself, and tell people about your plan. Tell people about what it is you're going to show them, about where you're going to learn, about the things you already have learned or the things that you already know, and share that with them to get them excited to join along with you. To build a super simple lead magnet, which is step 4 after you've accomplished step 1 through 3 to lay the foundations of traffic for a profitable online business, you need to present an offer. Now, this right here is where you really are going to have to look and say, I need to start or I need to invest money, except for to get started, not even a credit card is required to sign up for your free account to get access to a set of tools called System.io that's going to allow you to build a super simple lead magnet, let people know about your bonus, also let people know about more offers via different types of pages, marketing pages, sales pages that are going to be required even if you are an affiliate marketer, which means that you just promote other people's products that are solutions to the problem that you've defined under your topic. Ultimately, what you're doing here is you're trying to build an email list or build a community of people, but let's focus on building an email list. Now, to send emails, you're going to need to invest $10. And the reason that you're going to need to do that because you're going to need a domain name. You can go over to Namecheap and you can see here that a .com is only $6.49, but we're getting ahead of ourselves because we have yet to, and we've made a lot of marks here on the plan. And again, this is the plan, step by step, nothing held back. Affiliating, profitable online business. First things first, let's generate traffic. Let's pick a topic. Right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Gemini and we're going to give it a prompt, or we're going to start a conversation by letting it know that you want to start a YouTube channel talking about AI and how to use it to develop apps, but I don't know how to make apps. What is the first video I should make to post to my new YouTube channel and get people interested in following along to learn with me, Now, understand if you already know how to do this, then you can start a little more advanced. But if you absolutely don't know where to start, AI app development, a beginner's guide to starting your AI journey. Briefly introduce yourself and your passion for AI and app development. Phone. Take your phone out, set it up. Hey, Gary here. Check it out. I've always wanted to develop AI apps. I didn't know where to start, but yesterday I opened up Google and I started to learn, and here's what I've learned so far. And then tell them what you learned so far. Want to follow along? Check out the link in the description. Get on my email list for regular updates. Aha. Let's go back to the plan, right? We've moved way up here. We said, get on my email list, right? So understand now we need a super simple lead magnet because we want them to share their email because we want to build an email list. Now, I did jump ahead, but understand we picked a topic using Gemini, or Gemini helped us understand how to start creating consistent content. So we also understood that we need a set of tools, tech, and we needed time to understand those tools. System.io is going to be the set of tools that we need to, again, once we start creating consistent content, and then just using your phone, or like I'm talking into a webcam that I've had for, 15 some odd years, same webcam that I didn't even pay, $30 for, that's connected to my iMac, and I'm sitting here talking to you in my home office. And if then you understand that to create consistent content means that you've generated traffic and you're going to let people know about your offer is that you're going to let them follow along and they're going to get to learn from you and they're going to be interested because you are going to update them with emails that you're going to send them, meaning you're going to add people to an email list. And I'm really just talking about this at a high level because understand that the challenge here is to focus. It's not so much the $10 that you're going to spend on that domain name or less, because to start sending emails or to automate this and then to profit, you need a domain name because you have to register a domain name, because once you get your free account inside of System.io, you're going to set that up and you're going to see here that you can add, and this is my free account. This is my free account over at System.io. I've added 32 contacts, not paying anything, but I needed a domain name to start sending emails. So I have a free account. We go back to the plan. We need to build a super simple lead magnet. This is a squeeze page. We go back to System.io, we look under websites, we go to sales funnels. Here you can see one called Lead Creator. And here I can view this, and to create it, you click create, but this isn't about how to create. It's about showing you how this works and how simple it is to get the ball rolling. So you can see that if I click view here, it's going to show me the squeeze page. In this case, I'm promoting a product to build squeeze pages or to build email lists. A little meta, but understand this could just as easy be about you and your AI app journey. And then people are going to click here because they want to learn more about your journey or more about, in this case, how to grow their email list. They click here, they enter their email. That goes on an email list. Here are the contacts that I've added to my email list. You get one tag. And again, understand that you only get one tag for free, but you only need one tag. I created a simple tag called broadcast because I'm going to be sending out broadcast, and I'm going to send out a newsletter broadcast, meaning everyone that joins my email list is interested in this one topic, this singular topic that you picked right here. Clear this off and understand where we're at. Inside affiliating to build a profitable online business, we need traffic. We picked a topic, and that topic was AI app development. Let's change that. Let's say that we went back to our iPhone and we said, not only is this going to be my device that I record on to make my videos, letting people know about what I'm doing, I'm also going to show, or my interest or my topic is showing people how to use this gadget here to take professional photos. And maybe you don't know anything about it. Maybe you don't know anything about it, or maybe you already know a little bit about it, but check this out. iPhone Photography 101, elevate your photos in 5 easy steps. 5 simple steps right here. This is Google Gemini. If you don't know Google Gemini, just go to gemini.google.com. And the AI is going to give you some information and some ideas about how to use this device to take pro-level photos. You let people know that you're going to go on a journey and you're going to share all the information you learn about this journey. And I know if you haven't already, you've already decided that that's impossible. There's no way that I'm spending less than $10 to generate free traffic by picking a topic like AI app development that I don't know anything about, or taking photos with my iPhone. Who's going to follow me? Tons of people are going to follow you. Think about all the people that you follow on YouTube and their journey, where they started. You may have found them in the middle of their journey. You may have found them towards the end of their journey where they're already considered an expert, but go back and look at their first videos. Their first videos where they were like, hey, I'm here. I'm going to show you how to take pictures on this iPhone. Come and join me. I think it'll be worth the ride. They picked a topic. They stuck to that topic. They understood they need certain tools, tech, and time to turn it into a real business. And most importantly, the focus was creating consistent content and then letting people know about an offer, and then building a super simple lead magnet or a squeeze page like I've already showed you here, and doing that by signing up for a free account, opening it up, and understanding that you can build sales funnels or squeeze pages. Then you can see those funnels right here under websites, sales funnels. Click create, right? It builds the funnel page like you see here, where people are going to enter an email. And this is just to show you how simple this is, how to just connect the dots, right? You're at the beginning stages. If you're watching this video, you're really thinking, how do I put this all together? And that's all this is. Next thing you know, you are sending out emails. But check this out, right? If you wanted to actually start building a community, you can click here to build a community. Now, YouTube is in 2025, this here is December 2024, YouTube in 2025, if you're watching this next year, which is just a couple weeks away, YouTube is about building community. They're going to build out their community tabs. They're talking about building more of a community, and they want to build those communities, right, where there's a dedicated space. It's fan initiated, conversations and comments, a continuous dialogue, and it's all about community here on YouTube. Well, you can sit around and wait for YouTube to do this for you. And, whatever the requirements are going to be to get access to these early features to build out these communities inside of YouTube, because YouTube is expecting communities to grow and become a big thing, a big deal for them and for you when you start using them. And I'm all behind that. But check this out. Go back and understand, under your free account here, you have the ability to build your own community. And all you have to do is come up here under products, click communities, and then understand that you are learning more about, right, what you need, what is required under tools, tech, and the time to build out. And up here, my focus is people, but people onto an email list, because I think it's the best way to build a profitable online business. It's the most profitable channel. It's the most profitable thing for me to do, is to put people on an email list, automate it, and then I know that I'm going to profit from those people that I'm helping solve a problem by showing them in my consistent content, letting them know about the problem that I can solve. For example, the fact that you need a certain set of tools and you need to learn how to use those tools and the technology and the time to do it. And you can start for free, no credit card required, as well as I have a Kickstart or a quick start course, a crash course link in the description to how to do all this on System.io. And again, it's just that simple. You just got to focus and understand you have to be ready to accept the challenge. And yes, you will have to spend a little money to make money. Welcome to the real world. But that's the idea. That's what we're here to do. Check out the link in the description. It'll help you. Thanks for watching this one, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.